Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A72. Today I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. So let's open up and tap on Passes. Tap on Plus Pass and select between public transport, loyalty program and gift card. Select your public transport, for example this. Enter your details. And tap Select. Next one is Loyalty Program. Select shop you want to add your loyalty card to. Scan your card or enter details manually. And the last one is gift card similar to loyalty program. Enter details and tap Save. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.